Distress signals SOS through Morse light. Good day everyone. Today we will explain the distress signals SOS through Morse light according to Coleridge's Annex 4 and the International Code of Signal or IAC.
The distress signal SOS is used during emergencies at sea when a ship needs immediate help. It is transmitted using Morse code light signals.
In Morse code, SOS means S 3 short plus O 3 long plus S 3 short plus against. Like this. D D D da 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 D D D.
To transmit the signal, a ship uses a signal lamp or flashing light. The light is pointed toward another or rescue station. The signal should be repeated continuously until help arrives or a reply is received.
When receiving the SOS signals, the observer must immediately recognize it as distress signal and report it to the ship captain or proper authority.
According to Coleridge's Annex 4, an ICS SOS is internationally recognized distress signal used for safety and rescue communication at sea.
That is the method of transmitting and receiving the distress signal SOS through Morse light.